Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help you learn more about suicidal ideation treatment plans. So what is a suicidal ideation treatment plan? Suicidal ideation refers to thoughts of suicide or wanting to take one's own life. It can range from fleeting thoughts to detailed plans. While it's common for people to have suicidal thoughts, it's crucial to recognize that persisting ones should be taken seriously. The treatment plan is used to outline the course of action needed to address the patient's symptoms, to reduce risk factors, and promote positive mental health. Generally, a suicidal ideation treatment plan includes therapy, medication, lifestyle changes, and other interventions to help the patient cope. It can work towards creating a safety plan to developing coping mechanisms. The plan is highly flexible and can be used by psychiatrists and psychologists, doctors, as well as social workers. Here's how to use a suicidal ideation treatment plan. The first step is to start with broad goals and list specific objectives for each one. You will then need to develop robust strategies and interventions. It's important to also note the progress of the client as well as any required modifications to the plan. Finally, record any future assessments as well as follow-ups. To access an example of the Suicidal Ideation Treatment Plan, feel free to check out carepatron.com. To access the document, feel free to check out our community section. You can find an abundance of other resources, as well as find the note faster by typing in the keywords. Edit as you wish and click Publish to complete.